Hi, it's John. Don't miss one of the best meteor showers of the year in 2024, the Perseids, and it's fast approaching during this month of August. That's if the UK weather plays nice, of course. The Perseids are caused by air running through the dusty debris trail of Comet 109P Swift Tuttle. The peak night is late evening on Monday the 12th of August and into the pre-dawn hours of Tuesday the 13th. Not that convenient, I know, but the universe refuses to bend to your schedule. Believe me, I've tried it. So, how do you catch this particular meteor shower, courtesy of a 16-mile wide comet? Well, here's what you do. Cast your gaze eastwards towards the constellation of Perseids during the late evening of the 12th of August and into the small hours before sunrise on the 13th. Shooting stars can appear anywhere in the sky, but if it's a Perseid meteor, then you'll be able to trace its direction back to the constellation of Perseids. Up to 100 metres per hour can be seen under optimal conditions, though it's never a guarantee, as meteor showers are pretty unpredictable. But if you're sat inside watching Love Island, then you're not going to see any. The Perseids run from the 17th of July to the 24th of August, but at lower rates than the peak night of the 12th and 13th. The moon's bright light will reduce the number of meteors you'll see, but this year it's good news as the moon is at first quarter phase. And from UK latitudes it politely vacates the sky, going below the horizon shortly after dark, leaving perfect viewing conditions. For the best views and more chance to see a high number of Perseids, seek starry skies far away from the annoying glare of town and city lights. You definitely won't be needing fancy equipment for the Perseid meteor shower, apart from your eyes, of course. So just look up and the best of luck.